not say, first, it's awesome. First, millions of Americans, for the first time in our nation's history, will have some recourse if they are unfairly discriminated against at work. I hope that the message is activism works, engagement works, and it can be a long road. But days like this make it worth it.
That was Congressman Sean Patrick Maloney of New York on live television with us this afternoon following the decision, a landmark Supreme Court decision today, a huge victory for the LGBTQ community in this country. In a rare 6-3 decision, the court ruled that employers cannot discriminate based on sexual orientation and transgender status. Perhaps most stunning, two of the court's more conservative justices sided with their more liberal colleagues, and notably, it was Justice Neil Gorsuch, a Trump appointee, who wrote the majority opinion and, in effect, spoke for the court. Back with us again, Neil Katyal, a veteran of the Justice Department as acting Solicitor General. He was the Obama administration's top lawyer before the court. He has argued 41 cases before the court and wrote a brief in support of the plaintiffs in this case. Counselor, I thought of you today when the decision came down. You don't have to be a Supreme Court justice or even a lawyer, and God forbid I am neither, to understand how he balanced this case. Let our viewers in on the basic legal crux of the finding.
Okay, so first of all, here's what the case is about, because this is a Supreme Court decision that's not abstract. This is like, Brian, you're working for a county and you've worked there for years, as Mr. Bostock has, and you just happen to join a gay softball league. Your employer finds out about it and fires you. In half the states, even in 2020, that's a fireable offense. The law doesn't protect you. And what the Supreme Court said today is, actually it does. The Congress in 1964 forbade sex discrimination, and this is a form of sex discrimination. Because, Brian, if you announced your relationship with a man, you'd be fired. But if you had a relationship with a woman, you wouldn't be. That is what the court said in this 6-3 decision: sex discrimination.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.